There's a guy called Daz who's now a mod, who I've never heard of.
Right, it's not a photo, it's a video.
You're filming me eat cake.
Right, I've already told you. At least you know how to eat something, Louise. Dobby just doesn't.
No, because I wasn't playing along with the fucking video. Because I was eating sandwiches. I'm just going. Oh, you got Dobby eats cake.
Hiya!
I don't even like that.
Charles, what are you doing?
And she's like,
It's just a mine and it's candle over it.
Throw him a key!
Oh, come on, have you seen his house? Do you really think he can? Oh, yeah.
You.
Oh, well, I haven't walked into your house and randomly ate your food, mate.
Yeah, we've done it in my house when I'm poor and can't control the food. Eat all my
What? You made them!
I know.
You cooked them and said, does anyone want sausages? And I replied with yes. And then you put them in a sandwich for me.
What else did you eat?
I had big plate of beans on toast.
You already ate all our bread, that was it.
I had one plate of beans on toast. That you two slices of bread. You're still filming this?
This is going to channel 4, this.
oh, that's disgusting. Why'd you do that? Filthy. Got a pie. Oh no, it's still there. Oh my god, there's a ship in the
Louise, put it in your fucking mouth before they eat it.